Today is day 13th of my ongoing 90 days trading challenge. This is yet around day 7 October to date 6, 2022. CIP trade review. So let's see how the market played out for the day. And the bank nifty started with a gap up of around 200 points and around 100 points in nifty with 94-95 points. So bank nifty की वनती हाना gap अमा सी fill तौजुबा pending of the gap अमा सी obviously from 26th of September there is this pending gap. इसी की gap से चप चाना bank nifty सी gap up हौजिलागा होते once gap से fill तौर मतुंग that's why दा वहाँ consolidate तौर लेगी. Meanwhile nifty की वनती gap हाना की pending हम तलाइते gap से मरा हुए fill तौर कबिंगा sigi ahoba gap si marang already si sina fill to progra dina madi gap up chatla kanda kashi thudukna meaningai laitre. So the first price action that I had observed in bank nifty was that it was forming a W pattern in 5-minute time frame. China gap up hoga money give up more to see China there W there Silaga mana W supposed to have if man there W pattern amma. So in bank nifty the first price action that I observed was that it has completed a W pattern by around 9:50 AM. So I was waiting for this area of breakout zone to get retested. So by around 10:50 AM this area was retested. It is hammer candle. I entered long position here around 10:50 AM. Around 11 AM sida aina 39,500 key put option share by at 148 Ilaganda. So I sorted 38,500 put option and then went long, keeping my stop loss below this zone. So I exited my position at around 1:55 PM. So what is the logic behind my exit is that by 1:55 PM I was trailing my position at this swing low, the green line that I have marked here. Once this swing low was broken because market was going up with a higher high relation and a twin admission of a setup higher high relationship. So you got the low low is the kakale yang low matang chana karan karo to see swing low is. So instead of going a higher high relation, this swing low was broken by around 1:55 PM. So I exited my position here. Next I entered my position, a short position here in bank nifty by around 2 PM. What is the logic behind my entry in this position is that this 20 moving average was starting to bend down, so she bent over. Meanwhile, at the same time, Nifty was also starting to bend. So stopping EMA at the same time, finally bent over. So I created a short position here at the beginning of this candle. Yeah, the normal medium thing as well. She's 9 and I exit within a position though. I short position among create already. The TV 17,380 call option you want bank 39,965 So what is the logic behind this entry is there. Sigi bend over the Luina, Sigi swingy shida kaitare. Once Shishina, it was a confirming candle, it goes below this swing low, and this candle retested this breakout zone. See breakout level, she candles retest over. Retest over now, it was an inside candle setup. Agadi, Hanagi, Sigi previous candle Sigi range, Sigi Manunga. Sigi range, Sigi Manunga, labor candle name Sigi. This is something that I learned from Subhash's Pani. Sigi setup, Sigi range, Sigi Manunga, Sigi candle inside candle. Once this low was broken, I entered here. Sigi entered tower. Same time, Nifty same setup. This candle marked a confirmation of strong closing below this 20 stopping moving AMA, and this is an inside candle which is falls below the range of the previous candle, and once this low was broken, I entered here. So simultaneously I entered Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Now I exited this position by around 2:25 p.m. 2:20 p.m. I exited my position. So why did I exit my position around 2:25? Because Nifty was trading in a range for the whole day. Sigi range, this is the upper range and this is the lower range. Nifty jing asi limited pa Sigi range sing manu this function aro. Sidagi yung sana kaba, Sigi range dai sana kumapa, yung sana kaba, no kumapa. So I didn't expect any more trending action in this Nifty. So I thought that it will recover from this lower range to the upper range again once it reaches here. So by around 2:25 when it reached the lower zone, I exited my position in Nifty. Sisine IP logic. Sisine IP once Sigi area se support zone hoina ngasi one ke toknina sidagi sumana kare. Once Sigi zone 0 sidagi nana kare. Oduna mathang desu Sigi zone 0 sidagi sana kabagi potential I exited my position once it reached here. Simultaneously, I exited my position in Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty do same logic. As I see area sidagi, swadagi pallaga sumana kagirina. Once it reach here, there's possibility of going upside again from here. But unfortunately, it broke down from here and then it went down. But I was already booked my position here 2:25. See, by 2:25 already booked my position. But Nifty retested its breakout position, breakout level. I was waiting for this support zone to be broken with a confirming candle and to enter short position again. By 2:30 p.m. Sipungani makaida sigi support zone se fazana sina kaithare mapung kana si candle sina ko kaithara matunda I was waiting for confirmation to enter short again. But at the same time I was waiting for my stopping 20 EMA to come closer. So but by the time my candlesticks came close to this 20 EMA, it was already 3 p.m. It was too late for me to make any fresh position. So I did not enter any position here. If this were to happen at around 1 or 2 p.m. or in the early morning, I were to enter this trade. She's ngalling at home boy targadi is a channel when you already come on Tatopina, king on a normal rice is a channel. She was a good setup. She wants she level stegi, she break out to her, retest over, she did stop lost tamaga, she is changada, young good program, young preserver position with the music already making young with that. Anyways, it was a good day today. I made money both in both sides, in both directions. Once I made money in the upside direction, I made around 8,000 rupees in the morning in the upside direction, and then in the downward direction I made around 2,386 in Bank Nifty as I in simultaneous position animation. So I entered Bank Nifty as well as Nifty in downward direction. So I made 2,386 in Bank Nifty, 2,790 in Nifty. So in total I made around 12,357 rupees in total. This is my a loss for my catch position. That's all for today.